Hey guys, welcome back to Makeup Skin. For those of you who are new here, my name is Sunny and I am a makeup artist. I have been in the fashion and beauty industry for over 17 years now. Today I have for you the Beautylish Lucky Bag. Now before we get into that, let's just talk about the giveaway that's open at the moment. I have two Charlotte Tilbury Fire Rose palettes, the luxury palettes to give away. It's open internationally. I will link the video down below on where you can find all the rules to enter. On my skin today, I have my Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Beige Desert. I have my Dior Forever Skin Veil, the new PRINTEMPS blush from Chanel, which I have reviewed. Please check out that video. I have the Marc Jacobs highlight on my cheeks. This is now available at HARVEY for £19. I'll put the links down below. I have my Pump and Volume mascara. I have on my lips Passion Kiss from Charlotte Tilbury. I've just reviewed these if you'd like to go and check that out. Marc Jacobs eyeliner. Now let's get into the lucky bag. So I've only opened the top. So let's open this up together. This was $75 and then there was shipping and taxes as well. And it arrived perfectly. So first I have the Natasha Denona Love Palette. I am so happy. Guys, I was considering buying this. I'll show you this in a second. Next I have, a Wayne Goss lip pencil. I have a Sonia G Brush. I have a Good Molecules eye patches. So that's the fourth item. Oh wow, I already have this. This is the Ambient Palette from Hourglass. Oh, and then I have a Briogeo Don't Despair and Repair. It's I think it's a hair product. Yes, it's a Strengthen Leave-In Moisture Mask. So you guys have probably seen this palette before. I am just so in love. I can't believe I got it. Oh wow. I wanted this so much. Wow. Here we go. That's the Love Palette owned by me now. So this is £60 in the UK. So I've already saved that amount. The Ambient Lighting Palette, yes, I have this and I have a full review. I can save this for a future giveaway, maybe when we get to 3,000. Good Molecules, I've always wanted to try these. It says apply on freshly cleaned skin. Gently press onto the skin and leave for 15 minutes. Awesome. So yes, I think there's eye patches in there. Oh no, it's an eye. I'll read up about this. So this Sonia G Brush, it looks like a flat-headed brush for precision work. I'm so intrigued about this Wayne Goss pencil. Oh, and it's a gorgeous colour. It's in the colour Mauve. Oh, that is beautiful. Really, really nice. And let's open this. I needed a hair mask so badly. Here we go. So this is a moisture leave-in mask with algae extract. No harsh sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. So guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I really wanted the $150 one, which is worth $300, but I think I was cooking or cleaning or doing something at home and I missed the windows. Don't forget to leave a comment below on what you got in your lucky bags, and let me know what you want to see for the giveaway, because obviously I've got lots of things that I'm collecting now. So all in all, that was very, very much worth it for me to get the lucky bag. The fact that it's come all the way from America and the fact that I got the Love Palette is an absolute win for me. I don't mind about this. I can just do this for a future giveaway. And I got some hair and skincare and a Wayne Goss lip liner. I think it's an amazing box. Thank you so much, Beautylish. I hope you're all having a great day. Don't forget to enter the giveaway and I shall see you in the next one.